Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Harley Stage 1 air cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Harley motorcycle owners seeking to boost performance and style. Today, we will deep dive into what makes a great Stage 1 air cleaner, the factors to consider before purchasing one, and of course, our top recommendations based on performance, value, and overall rider experience, helping you make the best choice for your Harley. Number 5. K&N HD-0800 Air Filter. Upgrade your Harley-Davidson's performance with this high-performance air filter. It's designed to increase horsepower and acceleration, giving you a thrilling ride. Installation is a breeze. It comes pre-oiled and ready to go, so you can get back on the road quickly. It boasts exceptional filtration, protecting your engine from harmful contaminants while maximizing airflow. Enjoy superior engine protection. This filter is engineered to boost both horsepower and acceleration. Feel the difference as you accelerate. With proper care, it can last up to 50,000 miles before needing cleaning. That's a significant cost savings over time. It's specifically designed to fit 2001 to 2008 Harley-Davidson models, including Screamin' Eagle, Dyna, Road King, and Ultra Classic Electra Glide. Check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. It boasts horsepower-boosting capabilities and exceptional filtration. This filter is designed for long-lasting performance, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a high-performance filter that's also economical, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits my 2006 FLH TCUI, Touring Ultra Classic with fuel injection, and is compatible with my cover. Installation was quick and easy. Item works as expected. Works with the Screaming Eagle smooth round setup as well. Love K&N quality. Top of line filter. My motor can breath. Number 4. Chrome CNC Air Cleaner for Harley. This air cleaner system is designed to enhance the performance of your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and reliability. It features a sleek billet aluminum CNC design. This ensures a precise fit and superior air intake. The high-volume air filter maximizes airflow to your engine. This leads to improved performance and throttle response. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary mounting hardware included. You'll be enjoying enhanced airflow in no time. It's specifically designed for Harley touring models from 2008 to 2016, and select other models. Please check the compatibility information to ensure it fits your bike. We stand behind our product with 24/7 customer support and a 30-day warranty. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. With its sleek billet aluminum design and exposed filter, it enhances the look of your bike while improving airflow. Installation is a breeze, and it comes with all the necessary hardware. If you value style and ease of installation, this is a great choice. What people say. Bolted up perfectly and looks a lot better than the factory black football. Even came with different spacers to the vacuum tubes in case you run a velocity stack. Looks good. Easy to install. Works great, looks good. Number 3. Ness Stage 1 Big Sucker Cover. Want to add a unique touch to your Harley? This cover is the perfect way to make your bike stand out from the crowd. It's designed to fit perfectly and give your ride a custom look. It's crafted from high-quality forged billet aluminum. The intricate machining gives it a clean, sculpted look that's built to last. This cover is designed for easy installation on Harley models with Stage 1 big suckers or similar air cleaners. Installation instructions are not included, but it's a straightforward process. Choose the finish that best complements your bike's style. It's available in sleek black or classic chrome. We stand behind our product. Enjoy 24-hour customer service and a 30-day warranty for peace of mind. This cover is the perfect finishing touch, adding style and sophistication to your Harley. Upgrade your ride today. What we like. This air cleaner cover adds a unique, customized touch to your ride. Its intricate design gives it a clean, sculpted look that will turn heads. If you want to personalize your bike style, this is perfect for you. What people say. This cover is premium chrome and works as a mirror when you comb your hair after a ride. It fits perfect on my 2012 Wide Glide with a Stage 2 514-inch Vance and Heinz air filter. It looks amazing and complements the other chrome items on the engine. Installs in 2 minutes. Nice heavy piece. Does not feel cheap and fits the air cleaner perfectly. This air cleaner cover looks great. It seems to be made of good quality materials and fit perfect over my Vance and Heinz air filter. Number 2. Arlen Ness Big Sucker Air Filter. Upgrade your Harley-Davidson with the Arlen Ness Big Sucker. It's a high-performance air filter designed to increase airflow and boost performance. Each filter is meticulously hand-poured in the USA using only the finest materials. This ensures superior quality and craftsmanship. It boasts 4 layers of surgical-grade cotton for exceptional filtration and performance. Breathe easy knowing it's protecting your engine. It fits a range of Harley-Davidson models, including 99 Up FXST, 02-07 FLT, 97-07 FXD, and 8 Up FLT. Check compatibility before purchasing. Use it with your original equipment manufacturer cover or choose a custom Arlen Ness Stage I cover for a personalized look. The choice is yours. Experience enhanced airflow and improved performance when you install it on your Screaming Eagle air cleaner kit. Feel the difference. It's designed for long-lasting use. It's washable and reusable, and tune-up kits are available separately for easy maintenance. What we like. Made with premium surgical-grade cotton, it offers superior filtration and performance. It's also washable and reusable, making it a cost-effective choice. If you prioritize top-tier filtration and performance, this is the ideal option. What people say. Cold air intake. Worked great. 25% more power. Increased MPG2. Fit my 2012 XL 1200V perfect. The Arlen Ness Stage 1 filter is a direct replacement to the HD Screaming Eagle air filter, with the exception of it being 1/2 less tall than the Screaming Eagle 1. So if you find you need more room on the bike for your knees, the Screaming Eagle filter is 3 while the Arlen Ness is 2.5. This filter is also, IMHO, the equivalent to the K&N filter. As a person who works on bikes, I would dare to say they look pretty much identical. Basically, I like the Ness Big Sucker filter as it is not as tall as the Screaming Eagle, so I have more knee room. This may not be an issue for many people, just the way I ride. Number 1. Red Sucker High Flow Air Cleaner. Upgrade your Harley's performance with this high flow air cleaner. It's designed to boost horsepower and torque, giving you a thrilling ride. This isn't just an air filter, it's a performance enhancer. It's engineered to improve airflow for a noticeable difference in your bike's power. It fits a wide range of Harley-Davidson models, from 1999 to 2017 Dyna, 2000 to 2015 Softail, and 1999 to 2007 Touring models. Check the description for specific compatibility. It's built with high-quality resin filter paper and metal for durability and optimal performance. Expect long-lasting use and reliable filtration. This air cleaner is designed for easy installation, making it a simple upgrade for any Harley enthusiast. However, if you encounter any issues, our customer service is available 24/7. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day warranty and 24/7 customer support for any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. It's designed for increased horsepower and torque, giving your bike a noticeable performance boost. It's also easy to install and fits a wide range of Harley models. If you want a simple upgrade for a significant performance improvement, consider this. What people say. Matches the bike color well. Seems to be made of quality material and fits stock air cleaner perfectly. Saw lots of reviews about holes not lining up, but mine were right on. Just had to turn it till everything lined up. 2004 Ultra Classic. Running a custom plate so no cover, and it looks great versus the old gray originally. Fit my 2003 Harley-Davidson Road King perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.